What you got, Riley?
She wants to hold this. Hold the one. Ah, there you go.
Rip it open, Ry. There's Nick. There's Riley on her first Christmas.
What's her first purse?
Huh? Got a purse? She's getting her first purse. There's a little lady for you. There's Nick's dog Cookie running around here, making cookies everywhere.
See, it's got like a birth. It's got like learning stuff on it, but you could put your little stuff in it.
What you got, Riley? Open it. Ooh. Nice toys. Help, Mom.
Yeah, I can't help it. Thanks, Doug.
I think it's the other part.
Here.
Big
What's the big one?
Oh boy, it's bigger than her. It's fitting. Oh, look out, baby. Move your hand.